Hi, I'm Junaid. Most of you know me as InstaJun. I'm here to express my feelings towards the road to rebuilding of RAMY. Well, I started off-roading and I had a slight incident and I wasn't very happy with my setup. So I was Googling a few garages and talking to a few people who've been in this field before me, and I got a word of mouth and a few recommendations for RAMY. So I picked up the phone immediately and called up the number, and I said I want to speak to the technician. Is he available? They said yeah, he's available, pass by. The moment I entered, my doubt was cleared because my car was parked outside. I just asked the main guy what's the issue with my Jeep, and he clearly said my axle is bent. And I just dropped my keys and I left. I told him, do whatever you need to make this right. And ever since, it's been a very comfortable journey, a trustworthy journey. I mean, Marwan is like family now. There's no looking back, and it's just been amazing adventures and experiences and a friendship that we've developed. I'm a really happy customer because I'm treated like one, and I mean, most of you know that there are very few garages who can maintain this kind of level of customer satisfaction, and I'm just proud to be part of RAMY now, as I am part of their drives. I tend to support. Most of you know I don't like to lead, but yeah, I tend to help with the drives and the organization, and yeah. So all of you have been wondering what's happening with RAMY, what's going on. So the new location is almost ready. They've moved here, the workshop is being set up. This is RAMY 3.0, and you all remember the incident that happened on June 6th. I remember it clearly because I was in my house and I was getting messages that there's a big fire and black smoke in Al Quoz, and I could see it from my house. So I messaged the technician and I asked him, yo, are you guys okay? There's a fire in Al Quoz. And he said at that time, it's them that is burning. I just quickly picked up my keys, hopped on my Jeep, and head to the RAMY Garage 2.0. It was a strange day because Marwan wasn't here, so I tried to support as much as I could. Like I was escorting their staff to another location just to help out as much as I can. But that was a day I can't forget because it was emotional, because I know it's a family business and I'm very close to them. So I know what they would go through, but they were very strong. Three of them put together, like I don't think so anyone could face something and be so strong and so positive. And like they've been nothing but positive, and they've still managed to fulfill people's requirements even with the conditions they've been facing. In the previous location they had 7 jacks, and now in the new 3.0 they have 10 jacks. So the service is only going to get better and improved and faster for us annoying customers who want our Jeeps before the weekend, no matter what. So yeah, I mean, just look at it. It's amazing. It's fully aircon. I mean, I could actually work from home from here. They did not leave everything behind. They brought some antiques from the other garage. This antique.
Yeah, I kind of heard that.
That's the professor or the doctor. You can call him whatever you want. And then we have our beloved Mr. Marwan working hard as always. What is he working on, guys?
We're prepping some awesome gladiators for overlanding, of course. So I'm not going to tell you much. I'll tell you soon.